Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, backup camera, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, quad seating, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.